5 minus 3 is 2. And 5 minus 3 is again 2. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. According to the order of operations, first we have to solve the parentheses. Then, after we solve all the parentheses, we move to exponents. Then, after we solve all the exponents, we solve multiplication and division at the same priority, left to right. And finally, we solve addition and subtraction. If we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication, it is wrong.
So what is the correct answer to this question? Well, according to the order of operations, first we have to solve the parentheses, so we do the math inside the parentheses first. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And the problem becomes 5 minus 3, parentheses 2, right? So if a number is placed beside a parentheses, that means multiplication. So the problem becomes 5 minus 3 times 2. And according to the order of operations, we have to solve the multiplication before the subtraction. So we solve 3 times 2 first. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And 5 minus 6 is equal to -1. So the correct answer is -1.